今天看我们 MFID 得奖设计师的作品，就是这栋 TS Lao Tower 和旗下 Skyline Embassy 的项目。Let's go！ 介绍这位 designer 给认识 Marco， 当当。
Hi, nice to meet you. I'm Marco.
Yeah. Thanks for invite. Let's tour.
Let's go. So we started with this, with the facade on the outside.
Yep.
All the designs, all the materials, all selected together. And then in the end, we helped them with the architect and also with the porte cochere.
Like a 5-star hotel, very grand. 5-star hotel lobby.
It is. Come.
Dun, 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 dun.
You see like this, actually it's not like going to work,
Yep.
right? So this is already a different approach, already a very high level detail of interiors and feels like 5-star hotel. Yeah.
Actually, this is a mixed development, office, restaurant.
They developed the whole building themselves for Tan Sri Lao. Then in the meantime, they have also restaurants and other facilities inside. And also the new project for them is being showcased on level 14, the gallery and the show unit. The special thing about the lobby also is the 3D cut marble, which is like the feature wall. All the walls are French limestone and the marble is Calacata from Italy.
Wow.
Actually, this is a very nice high-level interior with beautiful materials.
Everything is majority is a natural product, so that's why it can look very grand.
And all the inlays are with rose gold metal. Wow. We got kilometers of rose gold metal in this building.
Wow.
It's very exciting.
From outside into inside.
Yes.
Okay.
It's a lot of detailing, a lot of natural stones, showcasing art pieces because Tan Sri also is all artworks with a special meaning, is privately selected by himself. All the details inside here is still all finished with rose gold.
Wow. The common area, the gate also using rose gold.
Yes. And the whole wall is Calacata, is selected marbles imported from Italy.
Do you have a balance? My housemate.
At the end actually is a very special artwork inlays with mother of pearl, and all the mother of pearl is by handcrafted.
在这里上班的人很幸福。This is a 14th floor.
So when we enter here, actually we created like a lift lobby, 3D cut marble with inlays of rose gold.
Wow.
Straight away your attention goes to the Skyline, which actually is the name of the new project for them. So in the Skyline, we created a wallpaper in which obviously we got the famous iconic Petrono Towers and the new project, Skyline Embassy. So the whole area is connected. All the space, everything's bespoke, everything's connected. We don't cut any corners. Every detail is exactly how we designed it. So it's a few things. We got the gold ginkgo leaves. We also have the name Golden Series for Skyline.
Oh, that's why.
Embassy. That's why the gold is also inserted and is everywhere to be seen.
This is a reception, welcome reception.
Yeah, so it's a reception for the sales force.
The Skyline Embassy.
And behind we did the interpretation of the ginkgo leaves with all the details in the rose gold. So even the pantry, we got all the details with the brass chamfered elements inside. And from here we can serve directly the VIP area.
Oh. And with this special custom-made lighting, right?
Yes. So these are small leaves.
Oh, leaf.
Small leaves. Yeah. We all tie back to the concept. So here we have like small ginkgo leaves as well. It's all inserted, and then we customize the chandelier.
Wow, nice.
With actually crystal glass, and in the crystal glass we got like small gold dust and amber colors of the ginkgo leaves.
Everywhere.
It's actually everywhere. And then these marbles are very special marbles on the client's own quarry. And we did like a full curved element, and we also integrated into the bespoke furniture. If you look at this detail, very nice, with the beautiful marble, it's completely rounded, inserted with the rose gold details. The color green is very important for them as well.
Green is rich, right? Money.
You should say, right?
Yeah, money, I know.
The exciting thing for me for the gallery is during the day, but also during the night, the reflection of the ceiling and the floor with the video, with the animations of the facilities of the actual project.
The ceiling very high.
It's very high, we're quite lucky. And because also we made it like high gloss, so actually it gives even more space.
You use the reflection ceiling, so it makes the space more bigger.
The whole idea with the reflective ceiling is the feel of the skyline. You have the skyline outside, it's reflected by the ceiling, which we also use in the facilities. So it gets very exciting. You got the lights get like reflected. That's very cool.
Yeah.
You see all the colors and the materials from here already transported into the real design.
Yeah.
So if you walk here, it's almost like you walk into the real building already.
Yeah.
And all the feel of the colors and materials is actually used back here. So there's a big connection. This is the actual project. So all the items you see here and the show unit and the facilities will be integrated in this building.
This building location in the Jalan Ambang point.
Jalan Ampang,
Jalan Ambang.
prime location. So this is like a gallery walk with rose gold plated materials on wall and the ceiling. And if you take a look here, we actually showcase the facilities of the building. And these days everything is digital, but we actually have chosen to celebrate it and do it like the old way with like nice frames and give it a very different look. So later when people go to their homes, they will enter by this lobby.
Wow.
So all the details, all the furniture actually will be given into the project.
Really 5-star.
5-star hotel, we got even like karaoke, we got cinema, so the residents can use this and have a great time with their family or friends. And all the details for this concept, for this building is so intricate. Also the arrival, all the paneling is all designed and inspired by a work trip that we have done together with the client.
Let's see the showroom first. Come on.
We got two types, the dual key, which is actually very efficient if you want to rent out one room, or for example, your parents or your parents-in-law would stay with you. You
Own
still-
privacy.
Yes, you still have your privacy.
So this is a foyer?
So actually, like interpreting after all this time in Asia, a shoe rack or an arrival piece, we actually wanted to do something different. A little bit more elegant. We can still put all your keys, sunglasses inside, put your shoes inside as well, but a different solution. So for the units, we have chosen a very elegant, soft colors of materials, less contrast, and it keeps like very serene and very warm. So very cozy. A lot of details are like curved to give it like a very functional and safe environment also with kids.
The style is forever class.
That's what we tried to do, and then we integrated many small details, Murano glass, vases, intricate details in the metal and the mirror works as well. Even into the artworks, we have mother of pearl and gold leaf, which is all crafted by hand.
有意思 ，show how 也是用高级的 painting 来做。
Going to the master bedroom is also a very intricate, elegant place with curved elements everywhere. It's very comfortable and also like a very high level of feel with all the materials which we have used. Indirect lights, so it's easy to read or easy to relax at night.
I like the master bedroom with a small pantry, bar counter.
Yes.
Really look like hotel feel.
So we integrated a very nice coffee tea bar, which is very nicely detailed with all the curved inlays which we have provided.
Really detailed, even though the handle also go. So this is another, the same door key, another room.
This one I think very interesting is a dual key. It has a different arrival, as we said, right? With the shoes and all the keys and sunglasses, still functional, but also you get like a homey feel. So all the kitchen, all the materials actually are integrated in the look and feel that we selected. So it all blends in beautifully. And I think this could be amazing. This could be also for any business people. If you don't want to go to a hotel all the time, you can have your own stay. We created all the details with the leather panels, brass inlays, even all the small pillows, all the details we have provided. So everything you see is bespoke, a small beautiful built-in bench and an open wardrobe.
Because the room is not so big, everything is an open space. No, the space look larger, right?
Yes, so we don't want to block it out.
Yeah,
we don't
no
want
door.
bulky items. We just want to have like an open concept.
It is 680 square feet.
Yes, so this is a 680, 2 bedrooms, 1 bathroom. And I think it's a very popular size, this one.
Yeah, Malaysia is very suitable for Malaysia size.
But this one quite exciting because this is a turning table. You can turn in and out.
Wow, and stool.
Actually, we've got stools, so we can actually create like a very nice get-together, a small tea table, very different size.
When your guests coming, they can come here for the social
nicely.
living.
We can just take out the benches and the stools, and we can expand this.
And some more, this space is open space for living, connect with dining and kitchen.
Yes.
You can gather many people to do party.
It's all very connected.
Yeah,
Definitely.
it's a trend now for connecting people.
Yes, it is internationally also. A lot like this, connecting the people, having some nice, beautiful food, and have a great night together with family and friends. Actually, a very small bedroom here, but with all the intricate design, it turned out to be one of my favorite spaces. You look at all the details with the curved panel, the piping on the shades, the piping in the bed linen, and all the details of this small, beautiful table is actually just celebrate craftsmanship.
Also, which means all the furniture is a custom made.
It's all customized for this project. We customize it, and if you look really well at the pattern, it shows again the ginkgo leaf. So it's still connected back to the whole story. And then you see all the bespoke elements, even like the chairs with all the details. It's fully bespoke, and all this burnt orange and caramel colors are used also in the common facilities later. And then I think when you enter the master bedroom, we added a mirror at the end to actually also enlarge the arrival, enlarge the feeling. And then if you look at all the small details of the night tables, I'm very proud of the craftsmanship. Then the quality of the work that's been done, combining the brass and the wood veneer. If you look at the inlays, it's completely inlaid in a book match.
And also curtain, also very nice, the curtain texture.
So the curtain actually connected to the carpet design. So this is all bespoke and all matched back together.
看到用最用心的 show house，全部是 connected。看完整个 show house，谢谢 Marco 的时间 ，Thanks for your time. Looking for your next project.
Yeah, thanks for joining us. 再见 ，See you next time. 谢谢。
喜欢这个影片，点赞、留言、分享，下个影片，拜拜。